I'm gonna be growing this $11 to $3,000. That's the challenge for today. So to prove to you guys that it's easy. So I have my first setup here on gold. I think I'm gonna be trading gold throughout for this challenge. So this is my first setup on gold. I just bought gold. All right. So we are having a head and shoulder pattern here. All right. So this is the head, and then this is the first shoulder, and then this is the forming shoulder. This is the new shoulder, and it's rejecting. It have rejected so many times. Look at the weak rejection here, guys. Look at it. So right now I expect it to go up because I also have a news confirmation for this trade. So I already bought it with just 0.05. So we are going to watch as it goes up, we'll add more position. Right, so as it goes up, we'll add more position. So that is how we are going to be doing it. Right, so boom. So guys, we added two more position and it's up about $60 right now. This is 50 something dollars. So let's see how it went. So look at it, guys. Immediately as we entered the trade, it just started going up straight up, no drawdown, sniper entry trade. So then look at it. Look at it immediately as we entered there. So you can see it. So it went up, we add a little position. So let's close all trades now. So guys, we have closed all our trade. New balance is now 53.26. So we have $53.26 right now, and this is our first trade. Right, so it is small, but don't worry, it is step by step. Right, so brick by brick, we're gonna build this account. So let's go and look for another trade right now. Let's go look for another trade. Right, so we are back. So we are looking for another trade on gold again. So we are going to continue this same setup, guys. So there's a news that confirmed this trade that is going to go up for a long time. So I'm not supposed to close this trade early. So I did wrong by closing this trade early. So we are stacking up again. There's a new news for gold. Right, using my broker robbery strategy. So there's a new news for gold. So I first used the sniper entry method to enter the first buy. So the second buy is from my broker robbery method. So we are buying, and we are not closing early. We will hold for some times. All right. So we have entered some buy positions now. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's make some cool cash. All right. So let's hold it with confidence because where I got this trade from, my flipping method. Right, so we are doing flipping with this. Boom. So we are up again about $600. Guys, I told you guys that the source where I got this trade from is the baddest, like the best. So look at what happened. Zero drawdown. That is what I want you guys to be looking at. It's a zero drawdown trade, meaning immediately I entered, no drawdown. Okay, so that is what to call sniper entry, the process of entry trade without drawdown. So let's close all. So we have closed all now 590.61 US dollars. All right, it's 590.61 US dollars. That's how much we are up right now. So look at what happened. I told you guys this is a news. This is a news, all right, from the broker robbery method. So and it's up. It's still going up. It's still going up. Just that I'm okay. Because I know this thing is going. It's just going to be going up to the sky. You understand? So I just decided to close it now because I'm okay with the profit. So I will find another setup to maybe grow this account to its destination of my 3K target finally. All right, so we have a new setup here on gold on M30 again. So I've entered my sell. So let me explain it for you guys. So guys, we have a head and shoulder pattern here. All right, and then from then the market now broke to the downside, confirming that yeah, it is legit. Right, so confirming it is legit. So I waited for it to go upside here again to this supply area here, and now I'm entering my sell trade, and I just sent out the signal for free also, so that me and all my members can make some cool cash today. All right, so I want to make sure everyone makes some money today. So I sent out the signal also just now using my second phone. I sent out the signal. So I want us to make some money today. So when it start dropping, we might add more position, but for now we are just maintaining two lot size and see boom. So guys, we are up $3K. We are even more than $3,000 running right now. So let's see how everything goes. So immediately as we entered, you see what happened. It started dropping, and then we added few more position, just little position. So zero drawdown trade, guys. Zero drawdown trades. Zero drawdown. So I want you to zoom and look at it properly. All right. So it's a zero drawdown trade. It's a zero drawdown trade. Sniper entry method. We call it the sniper entry method. So let's close all. So guys, we have closed all position. We are up at this $3,000 right now. So 3,036.71 US dollars. So I can still grow this account more than this, but I'm okay with this profit right now. So I want to go and place some withdrawals now. So this is the challenge, and I've taking the account to the destination. All right. So guys, it is super easy. All you need is the skill, and we are ready to give you the skill. All right. So guys, and all these traders sent out their signals. So if you want to join my channel where I share free signal, check on this video description. All right. So join us. Let's start making money. And the only broker that will allow you to do this is Xness using unlimited leverage. All right. So check on this video description, register and register, all right, so that you also can start making some cool cash. All right. So and also if you want to check my tutorial on how we do this, check on my YouTube channel for more videos. All right. Also make sure to smash like button on this video and comment on the video you would like me to do next. All right. So challenge me, so I'll flip and you will see. All right. So let me see your comment under the comment section, guys. I want to see your comment under the comment section. Thanks.